Kluwer Arbitration is the world's leading digital solution for international arbitration, providing a variety of practical tools. Two data-driven tools, Profile Navigator and Relationship Indicator, enable you to diversify the pool of arbitrators, uncover conflicts, avoid risks, and select the right arbitrator for your case. Research arbitrators, expert witnesses, and counsels with the Profile Navigator. Easily find profiles by name or by selected criteria that match your case requirements. Each profile provides you with reliable, objective information and quick links to relevant awards and publications. Surface arbitral insights with dynamic pie charts, including economic sectors and experience with institutional rules. Get an aggregated view of all cases and predict availability via the current caseload. Next, uncover potential conflicts of interest with the Relationship Indicator. Explore relationships between individuals, organizations, states, and commercial parties. See each entity's role, who appointed them, and other important case information. Kluwer Arbitration's Profile Navigator and Relationship Indicator, your navigator to success. To discover more tools or request a demo, visit kluwerarbitration.com.